In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact to Close CRM. Whether you're just getting started with Close or you're looking to ensure your contact list is up to date, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up Close CRM. You can do this by visiting the Close website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the main hub for all your CRM activities. Now, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. What you want to do is click on Contacts. This section is where all your current contacts are stored and managed, making it an essential tool for maintaining your customer relationships. After clicking on Contacts, your screen will update to show you a list of all the contacts currently in your system. Now, to add a new contact, direct your attention to the top right corner of this page. Here, you'll see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new contacts or leads. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the plus icon, a new window or form will appear. This is where you'll input all the necessary details about your new contact. It's important to fill in as much information as possible to ensure that your CRM database remains comprehensive and useful. Typically, you'll want to include the contact's name, email address, phone number, and any other details pertinent to your business needs. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more valuable your CRM data will be when it comes time to analyze it for sales and marketing strategies. After entering all the required information, you'll want to double-check for any errors or typos. Accuracy is key in maintaining a reliable database. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and save the new contact. This step is crucial because it confirms that all your hard work is stored securely within Close CRM. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new contact to Close CRM. This process is designed to be straightforward, enabling you to quickly update and expand your CRM database as your business grows. Keep in mind that regularly updating your contact list is vital for maintaining effective communication and ensuring that your customer relationship strategies are as effective as possible. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your contacts within Close CRM. Remember, keeping your contact list current is a small task that can have a big impact on your business success.